Morning guys, this is the latest video. So quite a bit of it was shot at night time, so don't know quite how clear that'll be, but and you'll see all the breakdowns have been I said about in the last video. So anyway, enjoy, watch, thumbs up and subscribe. Well, here we go guys. I said we'd had breakdowns on the combine and the baler. Here are what the problems were. Basically, I don't know, you should be able to see this wire here. If you look, you can see up the top here it's this stuff, and down here it's been taped up. Well, what happened, this wire got caught in here somehow, or around the back there it was caught, and it messed the wire up. Not so badly, but when you started the tractor you couldn't detect what the problem was, but as soon as you started moving it and some vibration, and this was shaking a bit on the road or on the field or anything, it blew up the error code, and that's what the problem was. I'll just pop around the other side of the tractor and show you what bit you had to change as well. This bit here goes up and down, and the whole block, you can see all the shiny bit, that all had to be changed as well because that was sticking. And he changed that first, and then it still didn't cure it, just was intermittent, and then we found out that was the problem with the wire. And now onto the problems with the combine. See these two shiny doors up here? The top one was leaking and dropping corn down here. It's coming down here. When it's unloading, only when it was unloading, the corn was all coming out and going on the top of the track, and I could see it all pouring down here and landed on the track. One time we did it still, and I could see it all scattering on there. So that door wasn't fitting properly, so it had to be sorted. And then in the process of that, we found some oil down here, and there's a lubricating system. This thing here lubricates the chain. The pipe goes along there. We've put a new one on that, up there to the lubricating tank, which is there. And the oil was coming out here because the pipe had come down here because the pipe had split, and we put a new one in. We put some protective around it here to hopefully stop it wearing through again. That was one problem. Another problem was it's all electronic, so you can't really see it, but the chaff spread that's down the bottom here, these things here, there's one there and one on the other side, they weren't working, so the chaff wasn't spreading properly. And then there's another problem with the gearbox. I can't really show you that either, because that's right inside. I can show you the tracks here. It wouldn't go in second gear, only first gear, second gear or road gear. So that meant you couldn't move any very quickly. So, but that's all been sorted now. There's something wrong underneath here. I can't see it. Oh, and the gearbox valve somewhere underneath there. I wasn't actually there when they sorted that. And we have a problem with the reel speed again, but that's all electronic. So I can't show you nothing because it's all in the electronics. But anyway, thankfully everything's all sorted now. So we should be up and running later. And also we have problems with the JCB Fast Track. The PTO went on that one as well. It's a brand new machine, that is, and it's the first time we put the PTO on, and it wouldn't turn. They had to come and change the sensor, and it took them 3 times to get the right sensor. But anyway, that's all up and running now, so as far as that's concerned, we're all okay now. So anyway, it's a quick catch up with all the breakdowns. We should now go into some work. Friday afternoon, the 31st of July. We're baling again. Today, we're baling behind a John Deere with about 30 foot head, I think. Today it's dead straight, so I've got the old got the GPS on. You see there the old lines. Is it working? Not too bad. The problem is we've got a bit of a slide here, so probably if I was left with the camera a bit down, maybe a bit like that. So it's a bit trying to pull the bale down the hill all the time. But anyway, we're getting there. It's about I don't know, 15 minutes in. Shaw's a little bit better. There's another bale again on the stage. Not too bad. It's now about, I don't know, 9:30, 9:45. Baling here with a following a Lexion 900, the biggest one you can get, and it's got a, was it 13.6 metres, I think that's 46 foot head on there, and over there on the right hand side, as you can see, it's got the what do they call it, grain wagon, I don't know what they call it now. Anyway, here he comes, he's 46 foot head. The dust settles, I'm about to see where I'm going again. It's only the 1st of August now, more baling. We're behind the 35 foot cut today, that's John Deere, and the straws all smashed to pieces. So we're getting 2 bales around the road, you can see them all stacked up now on the heading. Got off each end of the heading, and it's nice and straight, so I managed to use the old 5. GPS today, so yeah, seems to be working okay. Now come to the end of the field. First I want to slow the speed down from about 12 to 8 kilometres an hour. Grab the wheel, which turns the GPS off. Turn round. And we hit this one to speed up again, that one over there to drop the bales, and then finally doing these the GPS. Yeah, I don't know how good that was, it was a bit jerky, but I feel it's a bit rough this year because it was so wet last autumn time, no one got around to do any rolling, so the ground is generally more rough. So. Right, we've now moved to another farm. It's the same day. This is a new Holland combine, a straw walker, so the straw is a lot better quality, but it's only 15 foot, which is 4.5 metre cut, so it's not very wide. So it's quite a steep hill on this one, so at the moment we're going down the hill. We're doing about 20 kilometres an hour, 19, 20 kilometres an hour. And the bay that we've built, like about sitting over here, as you can see it, so jumping the flakes at the top. Previous bale says 40. I'm supposed to aim between 30 and 35, so it means that I could go faster, but it's so rough I cannot go any faster and stay on the seat. But on this field, it's not very long field, so with the sledge I'm able to put all the bales down here at the bottom, so it makes it easier for the farmer to pick them up, because this is for a customer, not for ourselves. Now arriving back at the farm, it's me and the other baler guys behind here somewhere. It's 8 minutes to 12 on 1st August, Saturday the 1st of August.